Sawyer, you want to try sweet potato? You want to try sweet potato? Okay, does that taste good? Oops. Does that taste good? What do you think, huh?
Did you swallow it?
I don't know. Want to try a little more? Is that good? What do you think, Sawyer? Oh, it's coming back out. Are you eating like a big boy? Like Mama and Papa? I think you are.
Is he swallowing it?
Yeah.
Like I don't trust it. What is that? What? That breast milk doesn't taste like breast milk.
What do you think about that, Sawyer? Do you like that? You don't know how to make it all go the right direction yet.
Divya, put the spoon right in front of him a little bit. Let's see whether he like pushes for it.
He did a minute ago, but yeah, I will try again. Want to help me? Oh, yes, you do. You do want to help me. It's hard to know how to get it all the way in, huh? You got real cute lips, Lovey.